Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm going to show you guys how to wash your hair bundles. Very fast, easy, simple things. Okay, so if you're interested, stay tuned and let's begin. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to want to do is grab your hair bundles. As you can see here, I have my closure and then I have my 3 bundles here. Now, I got this hair from Longqi hair. I'm going to link all their information down below for their Amazon store. I love Amazon and I love shopping with them, so definitely check them out. Okay, so once you have your bundles here from Longqi, I have my body wave bundles. You want to go in with your scissors or anything that you have because we're going to need to cut something. So on my closure, I just have to do this little plastic thing on here. So I'm just cutting that off just to prep my bundles before washing. And what I'm going to do is just cut that off. And as you can see, I'm feeling my closure. This is a 4x4 closure. It's 12 inches and it's a free part. And then I'm going in with my bundles. I have a 10-inch, a 12-inch, and a 14-inch. Okay, and we're going to prep these bundles for washing. So what you want to do is grab your scissors or your knife, and you want to cut the plastic that's on the bundles. Just remember, only cut the little plastic there, and we're just going to peel off the plastic. And the reason for that is because here on the bundles, as you can see, it's tied by a string, or sometimes you can get like an elastic band that is tied by. And what we're going to want to do is leave this on our bundles. Now, the reason for this is because when we wash our bundles, we want to be in control of our bundles, and having that elastic or that string at the top of the bundles will make the process so much more easier. Again, if you want to take it off, you can, but trust me, based on experience, you want to keep the bundles intact. When that elastic's not on it, the bundles are just like open and it's just everywhere and it's just way too much. Okay, so we want to keep that on. So I'm going to show you again. So you're going to grab your scissors or your knife and you're just going to cut only the pink plastic there that's on here. Again, this is virgin hair from Longqi hair. The hair is so soft and it's body wave. So as you can tell, it's a body wave texture. Cut very, very diligent so you don't actually cut the string, okay? And as you can see, this texture is so pretty. This is the shortest length that I have, which is a 10-inch. And I just want to see if the pattern is going to disappear once I wash it. So that's something we can look for. But here's how it looks so far. I'm probably 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10, I'm probably going to end up dyeing this hair because I don't like the color that's given. It's like a brownish black. But this is how the hair looks. Again, I'll link all the details of this hair down below. It's so pretty. A cute body wave. Perfect for anyone, especially if you love shopping on Amazon as well. Okay, so we're going to start off with washing. So the first thing that I'm starting off with is this closure hair. And this is 180% density. The only thing that I found weird about this closure was that the lace was tough. Like, it was really strong lace. And anyways, we're going to soften all that up with this water here. You want to go to a sink. If you're more eco-friendly and want to be more cost efficient, which I do recommend, you can do all this in a bowl or even plug your sink. So I'm just washing out the closure and I'm just checking to see if there's any little loose hairs all over my hand, and there is none at all. So I love that because sometimes when you're washing hair, there can be some little hairs that come out. And then you want to have a towel near you, because a towel, a cotton t-shirt, anything just to catch up all of that wetness. Because after when we wet the hair bundles initially, as I'm doing now, we're going to want to set them to the side on the towel. And it just makes everything so much more easier when you have something dry near you just to catch all of the wetness. So as you can see, I showed you guys with the elastic around the bundle, it just makes washing the bundles so much more easier. You're going to wash all over the bundles. You're going to wash the bottom of the bundle, the top. You're going to wash the wefts. Okay, you want to wash everything. And this is just going to wet the hair before putting the products on it. Even when you wash your regular hair, you always first wet your hair first and then you go in with the products. So that's what we're doing right now. And I use hot water. I use very hot water. You can't really see the steam right now. I just feel like hot water kills all the germs. It's all these bundles have been through machines, been through people's hands, been through different waters. So we just want to lightly wash the bundles. You just to get your hair ready for a clean new base and slate, because this hair is going to be going on your head. Okay, so as you can see, woo, the body wave is still intact even just by wetting it. okay? And it looks super good. I'm so excited for this hair. So next, what you want to do is go in with the shampoo and conditioner. I'm just using conditioner for this, but if you're using shampoo, use any type of shampoo that you have. Any and everything will work as long as it's shampoo or conditioner. Now I'm using this Herbal Essence conditioner. Let me tell you guys, if you want your hair to smell so good, this smells so good. If you're really into tropical fruity scents, this smells so good. Oh my gosh. I use this on my natural hair. My natural hair smells so good. When I use this, it just smells up the entire room that the shampoo or the conditioner is in. And your bundles are going to smell so good. I'm going to link this down below. You guys have to get this, either whether it's for your bundles or your natural hair. Girl, everyone's going to be asking you what you have in your hair because this smells so good. And again, use anything you have. You can use shampoo, conditioner. You can use both. Again, we're just cleaning the hair. Super simple, easy. But anyways, we're going to put on the conditioner. I'm starting with the closure again. And again, there's no special way to put on the conditioner and the shampoo. I'm just putting it on the way that I usually would. I'm just focusing it with my fingers through the strands of the hair from the top to bottom. I'm going to be doing that with all of them. Okay, and I'm just focusing it at the bottom of the hair, running my hands through it. I'm putting it on the wefts. You want to put the shampoo or the conditioner or both products throughout the hair. Oh, look at that body wave. It looks so good. And I'm just wetting the bundle a little bit more just to make it set a little bit, even though conditioners don't really set. Again, I'm going in with the same procedure again, and I'm putting the conditioner throughout. And you just want to make sure you put the conditioner from top to bottom and work it through the bundles. These bundles are kind of thick, so I was really ensuring that the conditioner was penetrating. And again, as you can tell, I'm putting the conditioner at the top and working it out. So don't forget the wefts. Even though the hair is tied right now, you want to make sure you want to work every single thing. So now, again, I'm going in with lukewarm water this time. A lot of people may be like, oh, like going with colder water to close the cuticles. With me, I'm just going with my lukewarm water. I am a germaphobe, so I feel like I have to use water all the time, hot water all the time, and I'm just working the water throughout the bundles. Now, I'm showing you guys this brush here. I'm going to link it down below if anyone's interested. I'm pretty sure I got this from the beauty supply store, but I use this brush specifically for wet hair because, as you can see, all these lines throughout the brush makes it easier for the brush to dry, so I can use it over and over again. It's just perfect for wet hair. And again, I am just wetting the rest of the bundles that I have here. I'm going to link that brush down below. It's such a good brush, okay? Perfect for wet hair, your wet hair on your head, or even perfect for your bundles, okay? Water just flies right through it. It takes 2 seconds to dry. It's a perfect wet hair brush, and I bought it specifically for wet hair. Now, again, as you can tell, I'm just going in with my closure, and I'm working from root to end, washing out all the conditioner out of the bundles. As you guys can tell, this is such an easy and simple process. It's very basic. It's a very simple. Make sure you're just using warm water or hot water, lukewarm water while you're washing your hair, just to kill any bacteria or any things that could make the hair less clean, because we want the hair clean as possible. So now, as you can see, I got the towel here. You want to get a towel or a cotton t-shirt, anything that can dry the hair. And I'm just placing the bundles on this towel to dry. Now, drying your bundles outside is much more beneficial than using a towel. But for people who cannot do that, a towel will be perfectly fine. You just want to lay out your bundles in any way that you want. I'm just brushing out the bundles just to get out any kinks and knots. And I'm just placing it on the towel. There's no specific way how you should place it or anything like that. It's very simple, basic, and easy, because you just want the towel to soak up all the wetness and make the bundles dry for once you are ready. So basically, that's it for today's video. If you did like this, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. I'm going to link Longqi here down below in the description box if any of you want to buy through Amazon. If you did like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel because I do a lot more hair-based videos similar to this. And I'll see you all in my next video. Au revoir. Bye. But here's some more videos if you want to watch.